Anytime I see her, na waka. Hey, my baby too sweet, yo. Anytime I see her, na waka.
Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I will do simple and easy crochet braids using river coils hair from trendytresses.com, which all the details will be in the description box. Very easy and simple. I will also be showing you guys how I will style the hair in 3 different ways. And then guys, my hair is stretched a little bit. The video I uploaded before this, make sure to check out the video. I showed in the video how I stretch my natural hair a little bit. And the shrinkage of my hair is real. If I am to do cornrows, I really need to stretch the ends of my hair. What I will do now is just to section my hair, apply a little bit of FreedomStyles magic hair growth oil on my scalp, which is very, very important, and I will do flat twist. If you don't know how to braid, if you don't know how to do normal cornrows or back, try flat twist. You will thank me later. Flat twist is kind of easier than doing the normal cornrows. As I'm going back, I will be grabbing hair. Very, very simple and easy. I hate to cornrow my hair, but this flat twist is making my life easier. You can start by just sharing the hair into 2, and you will be twisting as you are going back, twist and then grab hair. As you are going back, twist and then grab hair. I am explaining if you are to start. You can share it into 3 or into 2. Whichever way you preferred, both works. This style, the cornrows, I don't need the cornrows to be neat because I will be doing massive crochet braids. This style will be doing will not be more than 1 hour. Cornrowing the hair and then doing the crochet will not be more than 1 hour, because I will be going. In this video, I was preparing to go to somewhere. Let me advise some of you guys that are learning how to cornrow. Get mannequin head with hair. You can order online. It's everywhere. Just type online mannequin head with hair. It's easier for you to learn any style. If you are learning how to buzz braids, or if you are learning how to do cornrows, twist, just let that mannequin head be your practice. Because if you are expecting friends to allow you braid their hair, not all friends will just sit back and allow you to practice with their hair. It's better just invest on a good mannequin. It will not be more than $50. Get one, and then whenever you are free on your free time, also get a tripod whereby you can stand the mannequin head as you are watching videos, tutorial videos online, as you are watching hair tutorial videos on YouTube. Practice. And when I was very little in Nigeria, when I was small, I learned with my mom's hair, and then she also got me mannequin, and which was very, very nice. If you have a little girl at home and you want the girl to learn how to braid, just get her a mannequin, and then she will thank you. YouTube is very, very helpful. Get a mannequin, watch hair tutorial videos as you are watching, and be doing the same thing to the mannequin. That is it. Just my secret and my advice for you guys learning how to braid. As I am done, you guys can see how the cornrows looks. Not too neat, but it will also be perfect with this style I'm about to do. You can see I did one normal cornrow. One I did at the center. The one I cornrowed at the center, I did normal cornrow. Just one. And then I will just braid all my hair together like this, tucking it at the back like this. You can see how it looks right now, very mousy, and I love it. I just apply FreedomStyles Magic Hair Growth Oil on my scalp. Make sure my scalp is well moisturized. And if the cornrows they are old, if I also lose, you will see how I will achieve nice coils. Like I said earlier on, the hair I will be using in this video is from Trendy Tresses.com. I will be using their river coils. Very pretty coils. Check out some videos I filmed using Trendy Tresses hair. I will make sure to put the videos in the description box so that you guys can also check out the videos. And then you can see how the hair looks. Very pretty. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, FreedomStyles2. On my Snapchat, Agnes13. I have 3 YouTube channels. This very one, FreedomStyles, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. Don't forget to follow my 3 YouTube channel. To start, you can see the hair pretty. What I will do, a lot of people normally share the hair, but me, I will just be crocheting the hair like this. It came already looped, and I will just be doing the crochet, using the hair to crochet my hair like this, because I just want to see the prettiness of the coils. I don't want to share. And I was also in haste. I was preparing to go to somewhere. I needed something very simple and easy, full and pretty. I will just do the normal crochet braids. No need to share. Just as it came, as the hair came. And I am going to have this crochet braids on for not less than 3 weeks. Normal crochet braids, if you don't know how to do crochet braids this time, are you sleeping? Crochet braids is kind of easy to do, simple. Use crochet hook to pass through under the flat twist, place the hair, use it to pass through under my hair. You can loop it 3 times or 2 times, but I will be doing mine just 2 times. Stay tuned and watch this video, because I will be using this hair to do 3 different styles. After 2 weeks of having the hair, I will come back and show you guys the look of 2 weeks, and I will trim and they have the hair for extra 1 week, because I told you guys earlier on that I will be keeping the crochet braids 3 weeks only. It a little bit. You can see the prettiness of the coils, and then this is just what I wanted from the beginning. Just I want to see the real coils, not sharing. I love the coils. I just love the way the river coils looks. Oh, it's shiny. The coils is shiny. I got a lot of compliments on this hair. A lot of compliments. I love the fullness. I used 4.5 packs. And you can actually achieve this look if you want to share the hair. You can go for 4 packs or 3 packs because I needed not to share the hair. I did share mine. That is why I used 4.5 packs. You can see how it looks very full and it's not heavy. Oh, the hair is very light. Maybe you guys will think now, oh, the hair is looking heavy. No, it's very light. This is after 2 weeks of rocking the hair. Guys, look. Still pretty. This is the reason why I said I will not be sharing the hair. I wish I shared the hair earlier on. I think it will not be looking like this. After 2 weeks, the hair is still looking very, very pretty because I did share the hair. You can see. I love it too. What I will do now is just to do another style because I will be keeping this hair for extra 1 week because I said earlier on I will be keeping the hair for 3 weeks. I'll go ahead and trim. If I trim, see the another style we achieve. This hair is on point. This river coils, trendy tresses. This hair is pretty, oh. And then I will just trim it. I can leave it like this. Look. If you don't know, coily hair is my favorite hair extensions. Coily. I will be looking like diva if I am with coily hair. But straight hair, I will just be looking flat, flat, flat. But with coily hair, the volume, especially as it looks in this video. Trim it a little bit to my own desire. And see, another style. Fluffing it up a little bit, fluffing it up a little bit. Massy crochet braids, pretty massy crochet braids. See another style. The prettiness is coming. FreedomStyles, rocky. See it? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, this river quest is on point. You can see the back. See the back. It's still looking. Take away. I said, just let me show you guys so that you will know you can do many styles with this hair. And I ended up trimming it shorter. And I will be keeping this short length for just only 1 week. After 3 weeks, I know I will be tired of this style. And then see, I trimmed it shorter. Look at the style. Oh, too pretty. Goggy. Oh, I love it. Trendy tresses, river coils. Hair is pretty, oh. I want you to know that river coils is pretty, oh. Guys, I love this hair. Don't forget that this hair is from trendytresses.com. Details of this hair will be in the description box. I used their river coils to do this style. And it's easy, no? I used 4.5 packs. If you are to share the hair, you will use lesser than 4 packs. I love this hair. I love everything about the coils. I hope you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed a few minutes. If you have questions regarding this video, comment in the description box. I love you. I know you love me. Even if you don't love me, I know you must love me. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give a huge thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.